Okay, students, now we are going to ahead the lesson inequality in the household work. We have seen that there is a discrimination between boy and girls in the simple matters. This discrimination became a problem later on. Such discrimination is more commonly seen in driving and learning bicycles or other vehicles or small to large household chores. We have may see such discriminations at home, school, or at the public place. Let's discuss about the some of these things. Women empowerment. The task of making a house into the home if possible only by women. You can see the prefer example. Example of this at home. Women are seen at the forefront of the caring of children and other responsibilities at home in addition to their professional duties. In modern times, women are facing such challenges. In addition to all her duties at home, she also participated in the management of the household, in the fulfilling financial responsibilities. In modern times, women have succeeded in establishing their own identity. In today's time, women are advancing with their unique identity in various fields. Apart from sport, films, entertainment, politics, space, women are also getting involved in the areas of science and research. Women are moving forward in the difficult field like defense. Many women in our country have achieved extraordinary feat. There have been number of programs and plannings by government in the last 2 decades to the empowerment women. Assistance is provided for animal husbandries, industries, and other venture. Under the Startup India and Making India, many schemes are implemented for women empowerment. Women are given financial assistance to start and industries. Many organizations also work for women empowerment. Government schemes, public bodies, and other help women to become self-sufficient. In addition to scheme for the women empowerment, special arrangement and schemes for girls have also been implemented in education. Let's look the women different fields in our country. So students, here different women are there. Pratibha Patil has got the honor of becoming the first women president in our country. Such an honorable position was adorned to this woman, leader of Rajasthan. She is remembered for her simplicities and instinctive lifestyle. After that, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is remembered as the first women prime ministers of country. In the year of 1971, she achieved a glorious of victory against Pakistan, which is recorded in the history of country. She is known as the around the world as an Iron Lady. After that, Sushma Swaraj. We recognized Sushma Swaraj as the first woman foreign ministers of the country. This woman, who spent many years in politics, was proud to be the youngest cabinet ministers in the Haryana state's government. Fourth one, Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar, who has made the name for herself in the world as a queen of melody. She has sung more than 40,000 songs in various languages. The government of India has awarded her with the Bharat Ratna. Kalpana Chawla was the Indian origin. On her way back as an astronaut, she had an accident and died. Her name will always be associated with the space. Last but not least, Sarita Gaikwad. Starting from Khel Mahakumbh, Sarita Gaikwad has earned India as a gold medal in Asian Games. She has been selected by the Gujarat government as an ambassador for the malnutrition free Gujarat.